Guys, today was very good. So happy we come to this Polytubefono. Guys, very happy. Meet all those beautiful people that come to the Polytubefono, and even the latecomers, not mentioning any names, but they come the next day, and guys, good on them for still turning up so we can meet them, take pictures and play games. So what was that game? Dad to the cat, meow meow, go to the cat, meow meow, no, something like that. Anyway, see, I can't even remember, my dementia. People were all going that way and I'm pointing that way. Hey, shh, as long as no one saw me. But it was a very nice day. You know, thank you to Harriet and all her crew, like it's Mia Vlogs, hello, it's Tara, and it's Dada's fams. Yeah guys, they are so awesome. And then everyone that turned up for the Polytubefono, oh, it was so great to meet them and to go through all the trouble of making the food for us. That was awesome too. And I love meeting Caitlin's mom and catching up with Doobs and Bees and meeting everyone else that turned up. Guys, you are A for awesome. See Faye, hey.
Did you tell them about the family at the store?
Pardon?
Did you tell them about Hannah, the one at the store?
Oh yeah. It was good to meet Heather too today at Pack and Save here in Mount Albert. It was good to, you know, I didn't expect anyone to even recognize me because we're just going to buy some toilet paper. And she walked up. She walked up, guys. I don't know, I think it was my baby, my granddaughter that used most of the toilet paper. Yeah, I think it was her. You caught me, baby.
It was her. She's been doing the dirty.
Hey. Oh man, lucky they had tissue paper. Anyway, that's enough of that. Oh yes, it was so good to meet everyone. Even the guys that was on the panel, they were funny. And the one that was asking the questions, well, everyone asked questions, not everyone, but whoever got the mic. Dum diddy diddy dum diddy dum dum diddy. Hang on. Yeah, it was so good. I loved it. I loved it. Savannah, did you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, who knows? Maybe my baby might think about being a YouTuber as well. She'll have to be a Polytuber because she is a fob. She's got 2 fob nationalities in her, you know, blood. So that's Cook Islander, Samoan, and her Aussie side because her mommy is Aussie. But yeah, her daddy is half Cookie, half Samoan. Yeah. Why I go yeah? Why did I say yeah when it was Samoan? Nah, Cookie. Of course, I love Cookie. Why do you think I married me a Cookie? Yeah, because Cookie monster. Yeah. Okay, beautiful day. So anyway, we went. Look what I went and got. Okay,
Go back at 6.
Yeah, gotta go back at 6. So I know I didn't bring proper stuff for my luau. So I'm gonna walk in there with this. And Savannah got her necklace, and that's why she's doing your dance. Holla, baby. Hello, wait, do the holla together. Yeah.
I don't really know what I'm doing.
Holla. Toro fa. Di 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 di. Yang ala ya. That end.
Oh, what up?
Yeah.
Good everyone.
Yeah. It's unboxing time, guys. Unboxing. Nah. It's unbagging. So, got the magnets because one of my daughters asked for a magnet. But now when I think about it, one of my other kids asked for a magnet, I'll have to have this. Don't you say anything, I'll edit this out of the video. So I just get free, yeah.
I don't think she minds, anyways, as long as she has it.
I don't know. You can give your stuff.
I only got
Well, that's what I was telling you. Get more stuff and I'll pay for it.
More stuff.
Look at this, guys. All of a sudden I got dark. What happened? Oh, can you open that door? Because I think it took some of the light. What about that one? I hate her. Oh, I think it's that first. So I got a wallet. A New Zealand wallet. This is the stuff inside. Where's that thing? See, I only bought it because there's a picture that my husband could put of me in there, and then all his kids, he can shove it in this part of the.
Like a family photo and put it there.
There, just me over here, and all the kids, all the grandkids and little kitties can, you know, be in here. And then got a key ring. Got another key ring. No, it's a boogie monster. And then I got another key ring. This is mine. I love having sort of different stuff like this. I don't know why. Yeah. So I got New Zealand key ring.
For her daughter.
This is what I got from my Chihuahua Geneva. Look, that looks like her. And that's her boyfriend. Yeah. Yeah, I met him. His name is Tui. No, that's her granddad's name. Yeah. Okay, yes. And then the Chando to Fussy, the boyfriend, if he doesn't buy her dinner. And then the pocket knife. This is for myself. And then another key ring. Guys, nothing exciting. The only exciting thing about that I got was this. Savannah, what was yours? What was yours other than the chocolates?
Oh, I got this last night at the dairy. So I got a keychain of New Zealand. It says New Zealand in it.
Yes, can you stand New Zealand properly? A lot of New Zealanders would be very offended how you just lay us down like that. It's like this, guys. New Zealand, not like this.
Oh, they need to read it.
Jealous.
And then I got the same thing, the kiwi. And then I got this glass thing of...
That's for her mummy. I don't know if it's for her mummy or herself.
You can see it, but it's a glass thing.
Is it your mummy or yourself?
I don't know, one of them must figure it out. And then I got a magnet for my dad. He wanted a magnet.
Oh, your dad wanted a magnet. Well, you could have told me. I would have gotten him a magnet. You're such a hater. Could have got my son a magnet. Okay, that is it, guys. Today was a very blessed day. Today was a very blessed day, and we loved it, didn't we, Savannah? Then we went to Wendy's, but I'm sure. Did I video Wendy's?
Did you?
I don't know. I don't know, guys. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I'm talking about today's one. Yeah. So, we're going back at 6, but at the moment, we're going to just calm down, relax our horses, and probably have showers after, get ready, and then go and see everyone that we saw today, yesterday. So good, so good. Oh, everyone was so funny today, eh? Especially when it came to that game. Oh, it's so funny. We wanted to cheat and everything because we wanted to win.
I like Ashley Tonga.
Oh, Ashley Tonga, she was hilarious. Such a cracker. It took also, hey, took also must see me comment on their channel. I didn't on Facebook, and I didn't say nothing. I just always comment on their stuff, and they probably go, "Who is this?" Well, hey. I always comment under favorites, okay, guys. I support. Hey, hey. Okay, Savannah, say goodbye, sing them a song, and that is it. Oh, did you guys see our hula? Yes, we can hula. Bye guys, we try. Hey, yeah, pass it forward. Yeah, hi guys. Getting ready to go to the luau that they're having far out. Ah, there we are. Yeah, the luau that Polytubefono's putting together. Look at my, yeah. I think I'm going half Tongan, half Cook Islander. Because I got Cook Islander lava, but it's the red color. So me and Savannah, we're just waiting for our taxi to come pick us up. Okay, it's gonna be a good night, guys. It's gonna be a good night. Yeah, God is truly caring for us right now because everyone's happy, happy, joy, joy. Wai loa. Happy, happy, joy, joy. So wala melok ako. Yeah. Malo matu walo. Have a good time. I don't know what to eat though. That's what I'm looking forward to. And say goodbye to everybody. Ah, yes, Savannah. Okay, see you guys there. Coming in. Goes to our cracker. Look how beautiful these girls look. What their mom made. Oh, beautiful.
Yes, Mom, we were eating it.
Some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. So I'll say you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you.
Morning guys. Well, it's our last day and we're waiting for our taxi to go to the airport. It was a good Polyfono. It was really, you know, good to come and meet up with everyone. And now it's time to go home, back to reality as they say. Okay guys, then I have to go home and edit whatever I find in my videos. It's probably everywhere because it was too much fun to even focus on a lot of stuff. Okay, so we are waiting for a taxi. Oh, it's here already. Thank you. Margaret Airport.
Emptied out, come back to the side, please.
Roger, thank you.
It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you. Broken love.
Got me a two-piece Faye, guys. And then I forget my drink.
Nobody's gonna save her now.
Tough. Now get ready to go home, guys. Beautiful day outside too. Come on.
Nobody's gonna